Hey everybody. So, we have some really beautiful weather here in East Texas, and I've been out working in my yard all day long. And I came in to start getting some seeds ready. So, I I found a blog post about this a while back, and I've already done one like about a week ago, and it's working out marvelous. So, I'm going to do some more seeds this evening, and I thought y'all might want to see this little trick because you only need bubble wrap. You know, all your Amazon packages you have, unless they have the big air pillows. But if you got packages, you got bubble wrap. If you haven't thrown it out, I never throw anything away. So let's get started.
All right, you're going to start out with your soil. And as you can see, mine is bone dry. And it's really some pretty crappy soil, if I might just be frank about it. It was $6 for a 1.5 cubic foot bag. And I was ordering online from Walmart. So I got a bunch of bags of it. And it's not the greatest soil, but it's what we got. It's what we're working with. So I'm going to get it really nice and wet. And then I'm going to lay out my bubble wrap and cut in between where there's no air, because on my first one that I made, I just indiscriminately cut. And as I went to roll it up, all the air started seeping out. So you got to cut either where it's that flat area, or sometimes they have perforations that you can tear it. And then from here, you're just going to glob up the dirt. You know, you want to make it kind of thick. You want the roots to have room to get down in it. But we're not going to put it all the way to the end. I'm going to scoot it back a little from the end so that when you roll it up, you have a little piece to kind of be like the sealer, where you're just going to put some tape. So really you'll need bubble wrap, soil, and tape, and your seeds, and that's it. So I'm just going to roll it up. I mean, you want it to be firm enough that it stays together, but you don't want it so tight that the roots can't even get down in it, or that it's going to squeeze all your dirt out. And then I'm just going to put a couple pieces of this painter's tape because it's what I had handy. But I'm sure any tape would work. So one strip on the top-ish and one on the bottom-ish. So now we have our little donut looking thing. And if you had longer bubble wrap, you could make it a bigger donut, like a spiral. But this is what I had. And I have these hollyhocks that they had 2 packs for $1 at the Dollar General. So I haven't grown them in a long time. And I thought, heck yeah. I'm really in love with my zinnias. So I planned on planting a lot of those. But I'm going to intersperse these hollyhocks with them, and sunflowers. So these seeds say to just barely cover them. So I'm just going to set them on there and then put a little bit of this wet dirt on top. This soil has like a lot of chunks in it, like it was wood they composted or something, and it didn't compost all the way. So hopefully the seeds can still sprout out from underneath of it. But now I used the same soil for another roll that I already did, and I'm going to show you that in a minute. It's been done about a week, no, 5 days or a week. So now I need to write on it, but since I didn't wash my hands before I put the tape, I don't know if I can. Yeah, I don't know if I'll be able to even read it. Let me just get a fresh piece. I'll just put holly on it. I don't know what that is. I stick that on, and really that's all there is to it. Of course, I would put a little more water on top just for good measure to get the dirt to settle down.
So here's the one I had already done. It's some jalapenos. And like I said, I just did these about a week ago. And they're already doing like this. So when they're all done, when, they're tall and ready for you to put them in the ground, you just pull off this tape, unroll it. Well, let me show you what they look like at this stage. And because it'll be the same thing, you're going to unroll it and lift them out. But their root will grow straight down, so it'll just be easy to pick it out. Make your hole in the ground, pick it out, and put it in. So let me show you.
All right, I'm going to unroll this little baby and let y'all get an idea what it looks like inside. My tape's pretty stuck. Now, I have been setting these outside in their bowl during the day. I set them out on the table, so the tape is pretty stuck. But I'm trying not to damage it because you can reuse the bubble wrap once you unroll it and take these out. If you have seeds you're putting in later, or like me, you're going to stagger your flowers, you can reuse it. You see how the roots just grow straight down? So you just pull it out like that, pop it in your hole, put a little dirt around it. I'm hoping this doesn't mess them up, so I'm going to roll it back up before I damage them. But that's it for today, and I will see you on the next one. Bye!